everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I created my version of these iron sconce set. However, I will be using bed slats. Here you see you can purchase them from Home Depot, and I actually saw them in IKEA. You would cut the slits to separate them. And here are some that I had from an old bed that I discarded, and I kept all the slats. I went to Goodwill and happened to find some iron ones, a total of 6, and I hung them in my daughter's place. These are made from iron, and they're the same length as the bed slats. So I took the bed slats that I had, I painted them black, and I created some for my other daughter in her apartment. If you'd like to see how I made mine, I will be sharing with you right now the items that I use. These are the items that I use to create my own slender mirrored wall sconce. These are bed slats. I initially painted them white, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and change them to black using this paint purchase from Walmart and using the sponge stick to paint them. These are 2 of the tops from old candle jars, and these are old tubes from the Blue Painter's tape. They will get painted black. And these are the little mirrors that I'll be using. They come 20 in a box, and I purchased these from Collecting Warehouse online. These screws will be used to mount these to the wood slats, and these are initially bed slats that held up a mattress and twin bed. Got rid of the mattress and the head and footboard, and I kept these wood slats knowing that I can use them for some kind of DIY project. And then these are the picture hanging brackets that I'm going to use in the back. I only have one of each because I initially used the one that's just like this in the first slat mirrored slender wall sconce that I created. And now if you'd like to see how I put this together, just keep watching.